What's up, guys? Dustin from Sideways here. Behind me is the 240. We're getting ready to pull the engine out, start the build for the drift car. We have a body kit going on. It's going to paint. This is going to be the first, I guess, real video for the drift build. Motor's coming out, body kit's going on, and then we'll put the motor back in when it gets here. We'll start everything, all the fun stuff with that. I have no tools, so I borrowed everything from friends. And all my friends are gonna come over and try to help me figure out how to pull this out. They all know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I am told this is what I need to pull that out. So we'll see how far we get with that. Here's my supercar that nobody thinks is a supercar, by the way. So everybody was giving me crap, said I don't have a real supercar. So there's going to be another supercar coming to the channel. It should be here next video. And the cool thing about it is if you're a Michigan local, this supercar and my new supercar, which has a lot more cylinders than this supercar, will be at the Detroit Auto Show in the gallery. We will be downstairs selling merch in the modified cars section. Come stop by, see Sideways, check out all of our new merch that will be there. See both the cars, this is what the back says. Yeah, so swing by the auto show, come see this supercar, my new supercar. I'm really stoked to get it here. Hopefully everybody actually thinks my new supercar is a real supercar because they don't think this one's a supercar. Which, like, fine, fair enough, whatever. New supercar coming, drift build starting, new merch, really fun stuff coming to the channel. Oh, we'll also have a teaser for possibly a new Sideways track. The city does not like my backyard drift track, shocker. Okay, so time to get the engine out. We're gonna just basically take everything apart, get it out, turn this into like a roller, and then we're gonna send it to our buddy George. He's gonna do all the body work and all the paint on it for us. So we're gonna have a completely painted engine bay, completely painted car, and the body kit will also be molded onto the car. But we're gonna pull the engine, and while the engine's out, we're gonna do some stuff like probably like head studs and things like that before we slap a turbo kit on it. The goal is to make like 300, 400 horsepower out of this KA24 while making it look cool. And we have to do all this before drift season starts. So we got 3 months to put this together. Totally tons of time to do it. Totally confident in the team that can do it. But yeah, so tonight, this is coming out. Yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the build. And at the end of this video, hopefully we have a roller. If we don't, something's gone terribly wrong. So we got the 240's body kit in. Super lucky, actually. I found a dude on Facebook Marketplace with the exact full body kit I wanted. It took him 1.5 years to get this from Japan. So like I was able to buy it from him for what he paid for the body kit, not shipping. Super stoked about that. So it's the Origin 180 SX. I think it's called like a Fusion body kit. The kit comes with new fenders, over fenders for the rear quarters, bumper, diffuser, front bumper, lip, as well as like front canards, I think is everything. Right here's a picture of the kit. If you guys are familiar with Wabaki on Instagram, mine's not gonna look like his, but same kit.
All right, today we're allegedly doing work. Okay, are we gonna move these tables and stuff over just slightly so we have that much more room? Okay.
Hey, we need the wood, remember? Do you want me to mark this one or no? I'm pretty sure that's self-explanatory. I mean,
I don't know. I'm trying to play it about as safe as I can.
we're just gonna do it.
Yeah.
Because why?
Why not? It's not gonna hurt. It'll also tell us direction of the hose. Drop the bolt.
Don't be doing.
Oh, there it is. First bolt recovered. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's inside, I can bring it out. Damn, look at that hole in it. Stop doing that.
Getting demonetized.
I don't know if that would demonetize us, but
I'm finger fucking your car.
can't play that.
Do not get away from me.
Way darker.
Bro, nigga, don't put that shit on
No,
my face.
he just
No. Get away.
Dirty ass hands, bro. Dylan, I'm gonna smack you.
we'll like this.
No.
They're darker than you, Tori. We cannot put that in the video.
If this shit don't get put back together right, everybody in this garage I working on is getting beat up.
On God.
Tony said true.
You gotta take the bumper off, right?
We don't have to, but I think we're going to.
I was
We're also
gonna say-
gonna take the radiator out as well.
I was gonna be like,
Just take it out.
Yeah,
over here.
well, yeah,
Give
because
us
I'm gonna
more
get
room.
I'm gonna get the Mishimoto one anyways. In
Yeah.
Dylan and Nate have all the electrical stuff taped up and marked. This looks terrifying to me. I have no idea what this is. I'm just hoping that they. I need y'all to stop talking so I can. Okay. I'm hoping they know how to put this back together because I don't, and this looks terrifying. Engine almost out, exhaust has to come undone, and motor mounts have to come out, and then all the electricals out. I also want to take the valve cover off and get that powder coated because that would be sick. Don't yank things like that.
I will. Right, you let them know you don't want to work around this shit.
I hate hands-off supervisors.
On God, I'm a hands-off dude. I will say when this is out, I am stoked to pop the fenders off and test fit the new ones.
Can I pop your fender off?
No.
Okay, can we keep that in the video? Come on,
Damn, it smells like fuel. Is the fuel on the ground?
Yes.
No, it's in a catchment.
It's everywhere.
And on the ground. A little on the ground, mostly in the catchment. If it burns, it burns.
It don't smell like a little.
That's insurance money, baby.
I watched a video today of someone just spraying something with brake cleaner and said they were high as fuck.
I love white bitches. Don't keep that.
Yeah, don't keep.
What the fuck? It's the most random ass shit. Hey man, whatever gets the job done. Are you leaving?
Yeah, I'm done with you.
Hey, all right, damn you, man.
I'm not dapping you.
Where you going?
Dylan, I'm not touching your fucking grotesque ass hands. Nate, have a good night, gang.
He said, I'm not touching your grotesque ass.
God forbid he touches black skin.
Shut the fuck.
Nate, what was the last thing that we labeled? What number? Oh, 20.
23 should be the last one.
Yeah, I think it is. We are going to pack it up for tonight. Hit it hard tomorrow. Hit it wild hard tomorrow. And we're going to get it done. Hurry back!
End of the night. We're gonna call it here. We're gonna try to finish taking it out tomorrow. All the electrical's out. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll have the whole engine pulled. And yeah.
the camera. Hold on, we're caught on something.
Dylan.
It's me!
Dylan is
caught on
screaming
Dylan.
for his genuine life, and Nate's just sitting there. Wait, you look this up. Dylan, are you good?
It's leaking on me! Get the pan!
Oh no, you're good.
Tony, get the pan!
Where's the fan?
Get the pan!
Oh shit!
Dylan, is this a bad time? I can't go up any further. Get the fucking pan!
Oh, where's the pan?
Get a pan! It's behind you! What are you leaking? What is that? It's from the trans because we took the cover off. The shifter.
That's good, baby.
We need transmission oil. Dog, it almost went all on me. Hi, YouTube. Day 2. We're almost there.
Day 2 of the 240 build. We're trying to get the engine out. It's almost out. Dylan's under there somewhere. I don't think we're doing it right.
We're doing it though.
We used the ground earlier to move the transmission. I don't know why. Something's going on in there. I don't know. But it's more out than it was in earlier. Progress is progress.
So we finished pulling all the electrical connectors, any hoses, anything we needed to. Disconnected the whole drive shaft so it can roll later. The valve cover was hitting the firewall, which was pinning the transmission against the power steering rack. Could not get it out. So our solution was a ratchet strap around the transmission to help lift it back here, but then it was pushing the shifter into the body, so we had to pull that. And after pulling that, I had to lift the transmission over the power steering rack. And while I am bench pressing it, that fellow right there, Nathan, thought it'd be a great time to just take a break, chill out, get a beer, whatever was going through his mind. And then after I got it up there, it started coming all over. Yeah, we're getting demonetized.
This garage reeks. I walk inside and everybody immediately goes, "You smell like gas."
Yeah, this one's connected, and that one's connected.
Oh, we got wiring connectors as well?
What did we miss?
Connectors in the back that we couldn't see.
Oh, fair. Your distance, I see.
Okay, that was holding the engine.
That was what?
Don't worry about it. Water.
So, now that that's disconnected, do we have another one right here? Yes, we do. The sigh of just, oh, what have I done? This might drop off.
Why is there more? It just keeps coming out. What are we doing?
I plugged it in my finger.
God. Dylan makes them moist.
Can we get that on the t-shirt? I'll wear that to the auto show.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's gonna be the auto show collab shirt. Dylan makes them moist.
There we go. That's a lot of coolant going in. Oh shit. Okay. Go ahead and go down very slowly. You can always go down slowly. Go ahead. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Jack's parks is right outside.
And you're gonna lift up the trans, and I'm gonna pull the engine back. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Lift it up.
Hey man,
Then lift that shit.
you should have just heard the noise this made.
Don't worry about it. You can take that. Watch that. I got it. There we go. We're done. Oh, not that fast. Oh, damn.
She's been out in the cold.
So we got the engine out in a creative way. Everything's labeled so we know how to put it back together, sort of. We have to rip whatever else is left out in here. I have a new coolant tank. There's a bunch of wires and things that all have to come out. Then this is going off to get painted. Body kit molded on. We got the engine out right here and the trans. Turbo kit coming soon. That is a fat crack on whatever this is. Never mind. It's not important apparently. So don't do that. Turbo kit coming, pistons, rods, studs. Now I'm gonna make this look pretty. So you know, like this will be a nice color to match the car. And yeah, so built KA. The goal is to make like 300 to 350 and make it last all next season for drifting. The whole season, one engine, minor maintenance. That's the plan. So, 240 engine out, body kit going on, paint going on, bunch of engine mods coming soon. Tomorrow, new car delivery, fun stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube shit. New merch. I have no more cars that I can drive in the winter. RX-7 ain't doing anything. Supra's down because all the door panels and bolts and stuff are off. That's probably dead, by the way, because that door's open. But yeah, stay tuned, watch the next video. We have some really cool, exciting things coming up. I'm really stoked to finally have a drift car at, you know, the drift company garage with the drift track in the backyard. So, yeah.